Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to show you the updates for Alice USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, if you still don't have an account on TradingView, I highly recommend you go into the description below, find a pinned comment section, and sign up by this link. You will get a $15 bonus. Absolutely, all targets, all accumulation zones I showed you during 2022 to 2023. So all zones, it's not random numbers. Of course, during all this time period, I got a lot of skeptics in DM. I got a lot of skeptics in the comments. So all this is just random lines, blah, 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 all this stuff. Guys, I showed you all targets before. Your main goal is just accumulate in zone of interest, distribute in zone of interest, to build a plan and work with the zones, not trying to catch some crazy low or trying to sell at the top. No, of course, it's impossible to make a post about every single altcoin, in the best condition, because it's just physically impossible. There's over than 20K altcoins only on CoinMarketCap. But what you can do, first of all, you can go to free Telegram channel, find out this post in the pinned section here, and altcoins bull run plan. There's over than, 250 videos, detailed plan for main altcoins, on centralized exchanges, and the new low cap coins review. This one things. For example, you want to track the Alice. You just type it Alice here and find the first post, October 2022. Absolutely, all zones, absolutely the same. So this was a targets and a 27 zone. And how to work with this model, how to work with this fee, how to work with this custom indicator set, I already showed you in the video. So this block in October 2022 was the best time for accumulation. So this was this time. And we traded inside this block, signs exactly here from the first touch September 2022 till this one, till February 2024. So you got over then, 1.5 years for accumulation. We talk about accumulation, distribution zones. We're not trying to catch some local trades, for a few penny. We talking about accumulation zone for the bull run, because a lot of people are gonna lose the money during the bull run. Here, you can find out how it works. This is 27 block, and we test it. We use this range and we test it perfectly, 0.5 level by fee. 1, 2, 3 times. Touch it, bounce. Because this model works, absolutely everything what you see on the charts, it's just basic algorithm. We trade against algorithmic bots. So absolutely all targets are relevant. It's only up to you which coin accumulate and which one skip. Because unfortunately, of course, we don't have unlimited budget. So we can't invest in any single coin. These targets are still relevant. 0.5 level by fee and 61. Why exactly this one? Because it's going to be just a correction to this global main fee. We can take a look on basic metrics. 87 million coins in circulation supply, 87%. Got it. The highest point of the market cap on Alice was here, around 435 million. And the price at that time was $23. Now we go into this calculator, take a look. So the only correction to $17, we will see 1.4 billion. And yes, maybe it's going to be the end of bull run for this token. Absolutely possible. So the market cap will be 3 times bigger than it was here at $23. So that's the point of unlocks, how to work with unlocks, how to work with market cap. I already post the free educational videos. So guys, our main goal is accumulate in zone of interest. This block is accumulation zone. When to distribute, it's only up to you. You have to build a realistic plan, how you gonna fix the profit, step by step, or wait some price target. I recommend you, of course, fix profit step by step. So for example, you can close some part of your position at 23 level by fee, $11, 0.5, and maybe we're gonna hit $20, 0.61 level by fee, 1.7 billion. Of course, maybe we'll not hit these targets because around 2 billion market cap for the gaming token, it's kind of big numbers, right? So we have all chances to trade even like this one in this block, even test 27 level. So we have to build the plan. All this zone 27 block will be still relevant even in 2025. So for accumulation, for investments, this block, it's accumulation zone, not here. When we move like this one, trade it here, this block, it's not accumulation zone. This block is accumulation zone. Of course, it's only up to you. I share only my vision, and my idea and these models which work personally for me, because I understand what I'm doing when I accumulate, when I try to sell, any single coin. It's not about only Alice. I showed you the same model, for every single coin. And today I would like to show you also on indicator side what the whales do now. So if you believe, for example, in $20, this target 61 level by FIB, around 1.7 billion market cap, you can wait exactly this target. You can even believe in $42, new all-time high for this token. So $42, 3.6 billion market cap, absolutely possible. In the bull run, absolutely possible, because we still didn't see major altcoin season. Yes, because the Bitcoin dominance now over than 50%. The main altcoin season will be when the Bitcoin dominance will be around 30 or 40%. It will be the time to out of all altcoins. So guys, this block is accumulation. You can step by step distribute your coins. We can't know how high this play to earn coin can move. Of course we can hit new all-time high. So the new all-time high based on this model is going to be $42 because I'm not count this weak candle. If you believe in 65, of course, we can even 65, hit 65, it's 5.6 billion market cap. Yes, of course, the Axie Infinity, of course, the Sandbox, for example, in the metaverse sector, reached these targets. Everything possible, so we didn't see the crazy bull run for this token because it was a listing in the March 2021, all this hype, then we drop it down, initiation, accumulation, pump model, and then continuation, 3 drives pattern, 1, 2, 3, to the top in November. So depends of when the coin listed. Then we go into downtrend, top, support, 27 block. So this time, it's more than enough for everyone. Accumulate this coin if you want to accumulate, because we can't accumulate every single coin. Got it. So I market the more realistic price target for this token. And yes, not all coins beat a previous all-time high. It's more than okay if we count with a percentage. So for example, around here, it was a bottom, right? We not count this one lower low. So we count this correction. This one from this level, 0.5 level by FIB, it can be around 2,600% gains profit, and this one around 3,000. It's more than okay for altcoin hit 3,000% gains in a bull run. Let's take a look now on indicator side what the whales did all this time period. A to Z direction. I showed you in the previous video and in the main one why exactly this block. It's confirmation for accumulation. So this whales accumulate, forming that divergence. Got it. On a weekly time frame, it's really important because weekly time frame I use personally. You can work with your own model. I use personally weekly for investments. Intraday, of course, I analyze daily, 12-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, and minute time frames. Here also was a main accumulation block in this area when nobody care about the Alice. Got it. Let's take a look on markets mode. Gray zone, depression zone. It's best time for accumulation, step by step. What to do personally now? You have to understand we can trade in a sideways, so we can sweep, for example, this high, like this one, and come back once again to this block, even sweep this low. So we can trade in the range. So if you're not ready to see, for example, just for example, to see like 50% down in your portfolio, you can better skip this coin. If you ready to wait and accumulate, for example, once again, if we drop inside accumulation zone, you can accumulate even now because the main target showed you here. Got it. Because now we try and breaking out 18 level by FIB. Now you understand how it works. And you can track all zones on any single indicator and just add alerts. Money power. This, what I showed you before. Every single time when you see the blue boxes, it's a time when the whales inflow money. And here's the other side of warranty was in December 2022 and 2 MACD the warranty with the money inflow. Now, no money outflow. The money outflow, and it's going to be the signal to out of this coin together with the whales. or step by step or 100%. Last two indicators, trade on the weekly time frame, no data, and the last indicator is take profit. This one I showed you, we traded under fundamental price. Here was September, October. This one we drop it down. Here we tested the buy line, and now we're trying breaking out the exit line. Exit line for L is $2.12, and we need to see the continuation. First step, it's going to be zero level, then correction down and continuation. Also, like you can see, we can go to monthly time frame, and you can find out the first target for L is why we move so high, because this is like a magnet, monthly fair value gap. It starts from $3.27, fulfill $4.45. With the weak candle, we can hit even this one, even zero level. Maybe after that, we will see the correction. Next one gap is here, and the last one. So it's 0.23 by FIB. So fulfill $10.91. So around $11 is going to be around 1 billion market cap. So it's more than real to see these targets. Yes, and going down to correction. So it will be more than okay after $11 retest zero level again. Always accumulate in zone of interest and distribute step by step in zone of distribution, because like today I saw the comment on the world coin. So when the world coin traded inside the accumulation zone, like this one, nobody cares. When the world coin traded around $4, nobody cares. But just world coin hit $8, people start asking the questions in the comments, should I buy world coin? How it works, I don't understand. Always accumulate in zone of interest, distribute in zone of distribution. So guys, I highly recommend you go and check this post about Alice and watch one more time this main Alice bull run plan. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set what I showed you in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.